Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you the hidden meaning of dashboard lights. You see these lights over here? These all have hidden meanings. And I'm going to tell you what those hidden meanings are. So we're going to start off over here with this one right over here. Let's just zoom in just a little bit. We're going to start off with the one over here. Now this one over here means brake pedal needs to be cleaned! Exclamation mark. When you see this, that means you need to clean your brake pedal. It's dirty from your dirty shoes. So get a cloth and clean that brake pedal so that you can make sure that this light goes off. This one over here at the top, this is actually a genie's bottle dripping. So if you have a genie in a bottle and it needs to be repaired, then and it's dripping because it's leaking, then that's going to light up. So make sure that you fix the leak, okay? You're going to have to get some stuff to fix that leak if you want that light to go away. This one over here actually is a person holding a baseball bat. So if you are going to baseball practice, that's the one that's going to light up right there. And it's going to tell you that, make sure you have your baseball bat for baseball practice. You should not forget it. This one over here is actually resembling the steering wheel! Exclamation mark. So basically, in order to get that to turn off, you have to say steering wheel! Like with an exclamation mark at the end of it. Steering wheel! And if you can say steering wheel like that, then that will go off. And this one right over here, this is actually the engine of your car. So if your car has an engine, that's going to light up. And for sure, that's going to light up to let you know that your car has an engine, that an engine is present, okay? And there's one last one. You see all these symbols right here. This is all dependent on the time zone. So right now I'm in the Pacific time zone. That's why the P is lighting up for Pacific time zone. So it all depends on which time zone you're in. If you're driving into different time zones, then different, these are going to light up. And yeah, so I'm in the Pacific time zone right now, and that's why that is lighting up right over there. So that's basically it. Those are actually the meanings of dashboard lights. People wanted me to talk about the hidden meanings of dashboard lights. So I just wanted to sort of go over this with you in this video. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you can't tell by now, this video is a complete joke. That's not what those dashboard lights mean. I just really wanted to make this joke as something funny. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below about what some of the other hidden meanings of the other dashboard lights are. And be sure to subscribe for more great car videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.